Hi, it's Tina Sibley, and in this video I want to show you how to show your PowerPoint or your slideshow, and I also want to show you how to share your screen within the Google Hangouts part of Webinar Jam. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm logged into my Webinar Jam application. And I've turned the old camera off for the time being because I want to focus on sharing the screen and showing your slides. So what I'm going to do first of all is show you how to share your screen. Now, basically, if you do a screen share, you literally just click on it and it's going to give you the option of what to share. Now, at the moment, I haven't really got anything apart from I've got the Hangout screen open and then I've got my full screen. So if I click on full screen and then click on start screen share, it's going to start mirroring what I've got on there. And actually this is where it shows you that horrible concertina because it's showing the screen share, and it kind of carries on to infinity. But if I was to go straight over to, say, for example, one of my browser windows, so I wanted to perhaps show you in a particular website. So this is the website with the Webinar Jam training and all that kind of thing. You can see that is what's shown within the window. Or I could, for example, take you to, I don't know, let's say, for example, I wanted to do a training session on how to use Infusionsoft. So I would come over to that browser, show you how to, log in, and then basically just teach you using the Hangout what I wanted to show you. So it's really cool for showing your screen and web browsers and all of that kind of stuff. And of course it doesn't have to be web browsers. So let's say, for example, I bring that down and I don't know, let's say I wanted to open up something like Microsoft Excel and show you how to put a spreadsheet and formulas together or something of that nature. So you can use the screen to basically do whatever you like. Okay, so I'm going to bring that down. By the way, that's the view from the seafront, which is 2 minutes away from where I live in Plymouth, which is cool. Just thought I'd share that with you. Okay, so that's the sharing the screen mode. So I'm going to bring the Google Hangout back up. And when you want to stop sharing the screen, basically you just click on screen share and that stops and takes you back to the actual Google Hangout. So what about showing slides then? Now, first of all, Google Hangouts does something really strange when you just show your PowerPoint. Now, for example, if you're using something like GoToWebinar and you use your PowerPoint slides, you just bring up your slides. Now, I have to apologize because I'm not a Mac user. So I've got no idea how you would do this in a Mac. So this is for PC users. But basically, if you're showing, if you just play the slideshow, so from the beginning, yeah, it takes up the entire screen. Now, for some strange reason, when you're going through your PowerPoint show, basically, that can't be picked up by Google Hangouts. Okay, so that's absolutely no good at all. So you need to escape out of that. And what you need to do is just set it up in a window. And this is the bit which I don't know how you do in a Mac, but in PowerPoint, what you do is you make sure you're on the slideshow tab, and then you click on set up slideshow. And then that brings up a little window and it's got show type, and the default is presented by a speaker full screen, and you want to change it to browsed by an individual window. And then when you click on OK, what happens is when you click on slideshow from beginning, see, it opens up in a window rather than taking over the whole of your screen, and you can make that window as big or as little as you want. So for example, if I kind of keep it quite little and then I click on share screen, see I've still got my controls and it gives me the opportunity just to open up this window. So I click on that and start screen share, and what people are going to see is just that window. All right, now I can make this window big, and you can see as I make the window big here, the window goes bigger within the Google Hangout. Okay, oops, just keep it keep it small. So if I make it, you know, really big, see what I can do is I can check that the correct thing is showing, and when I'm happy that the correct thing is showing, I can make it big. And if I want to just reassure myself that it's still being shown, there it is, I can see what's going on and I can see what's in the controls. And then I just use these little arrows here to forward onto the next slide and all of that kind of stuff. Okay. And anytime that I want to, I can just move my window out of the way and check that it is showing in the Google Hangout. So that is how you share your screen and how you show your slides. Once you're done with that, so basically again I can just say, right, okay, I've had enough of showing the PowerPoint presentation. You just well, I actually just got rid of the window and it got rid of automatically, but you just then go click on this screen share and it'll just come back to normal. And that's basically it. So I'll show you some of the other features in a different video. So see you in the next one.